Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video we shall be looking at simultaneous equations. This is episode 1 of a series of simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are a system of several equations with several unknown. Often the equations are linear equations. Simultaneous equations may be solved algebraically by the method of elimination and the method of substitution. In this video we shall be looking at the method of elimination. We shall look at two questions on simultaneous equation using the method of elimination. So here is our first question. We are asked to solve the pair of simultaneous equations, and we are using the method of elimination. That will be our main concept. Now, to use this method of elimination, we have to ensure that one or the coefficients of the unknown in both equations are the same. The first thing we should do is this. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. As you can see, we have two unknown. We have the x and y. Now the first thing we do here is that we ensure that the coefficients of one of the unknown are the same or equal. That is 1. As you can see here, I have y and y, they are equal because the coefficient of y here is 1, and for this equation 2, y also has coefficient of 1. That's the first step. Step 2, if the coefficients of that unknown has the same sign, let's say plus and plus, then we can subtract to eliminate that unknown. So that means for us to calculate for x, we have to eliminate y. If you decide to calculate for y, you have to look for ways to eliminate x. That means you have to look for ways to make x the same. In this case, my y has the same coefficient, which is 1. As you can see, this is 1 and this is 1, and it has different sign. Here is plus 1y and my equation 2 is negative 1y. So because I have different signs, for me to be able to eliminate my y, I have to add. Please note that if it was a plus and a plus right here, I can easily subtract. So because I have plus and a minus, I can eliminate y by adding equation 1 to 2. So to find x, I have to add equation 1 to equation 2. That means 3x plus 2x. So we have 3x plus 2x. What next? We have plus y plus minus y and equal to 18 plus 7. What I just did is this. I added equation 1 to 2. This is to be able to eliminate my y so as to find my x. Alright. So 3x plus 2x is 5x plus y plus minus is a minus, right? So y minus y is 0. So I have succeeded in eliminating my y. So we have equal to 18 plus 7 is 25. Good job. So what next? I find my x. To find my x, I divide both sides by 5. So divide by 5, divide by 5. So 5 cancel 5. So I have x is equal to 5 into 25 is 5. So my x is 5. That's the first thing. So I have to find my y. To find my y, I can decide to put my value for x in either of equation 1 or 2. We should have the same answer. So let's put x equal to 5 into equation 1. So put x equal to 5 into equation 1. Alright, so my equation 1 is 3x is 3, the x is 5, so times 5 plus y equal to 18. Remember, I'm trying to find my y. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus y equal to 18. What next? How do I get my y? I can move my plus 15 to this side, becomes what? Negative 15. So therefore I can see my y is equal to 18 minus 15. So my y is 3. So our y is 3. You can also check. You can also put your x into equation 2 and you should get the same answer. That should tell you that you are on the right track. So therefore my x is 5 and my y is 3. So this is how to solve for simultaneous equation using the method of elimination. Let's look at another question. Okay, so here is another question. We are giving 2x minus y equal to negative 1. We can call this our equation 1. Then 3x minus y equal to 2. We call this equation 2. Remember again, we have to ensure that at least one of the unknown has the same coefficients, and in this case again my y and y has 1 as its coefficient, so x has 2 as its coefficient, and for equation 2 the x has 3 as its coefficient. If you look at equation 1, y has 1 as its coefficient, and equation 2 y has 1 as its coefficient. Now as you can see, we have negative y and negative y. So because the signs are the same, I can decide to subtract for me to be able to eliminate y. So again, we're using the method of elimination. Method of elimination. For me to eliminate one of the unknown, I have to subtract equation 1 from 2. All right, so we subtract equation 1 from 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2. That should give us our x. So let's go now. So we have 2x minus 3x. So 2x minus 3x. We have minus y minus open bracket minus y equal to minus 1 minus 2. Remember, we are subtracting equation 2 from 1. So 2x minus 3x will give us negative x. Alright, minus y minus y. Now note that minus minus is a plus. So minus y plus y should give us what? 0. So I have eliminated what? Y. So therefore we have equal to minus 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Alright, so what next? Negative signs will cancel out each other, so therefore my x in this case is equal to 3. Alright, again, to get my y, I can decide to put x equal to 3 into any of the equations. So let me put x equal to 3 into equation 2. Now if you decide to use equation 1, you should get the same answer. So equation 2 is 3x, so x is 3, so 3 times 3 minus y equal to 2. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 minus y equal to 2. So how do we find our y? We can decide to move this plus 9 to my right hand. It becomes negative 9. So we have what? We have left with minus y is equal to 2 minus 9. So negative y is equal to 2 minus 9 is negative 7. Alright, so negative sign cancel out, so our y is equal to 7. Alright, you can decide to put your x equal to 3 into equation 1 and you should get the same answer. So therefore our x is equal to 3 and our y is equal to 7. So this is our final answer. So in summary, what we are saying is this: when you are using the method of elimination, the first thing you do is this: you must ensure that at least one of the unknown in both equations has the same coefficients. That's the first thing. Step 2, if the coefficient has the same sign, in this case negative and negative, you can decide to subtract the equations. If they have different signs, you can decide to add the equations. This will help you to eliminate one of the equations so that you can be able to find the value for the other unknown. So this is how we solve using the method of elimination. In our next video, we'll look at more questions that we can also solve using the method of elimination. Here is a practice question, just 2 questions. You are advised to attempt this question and send your solution to this email address, and we shall respond to your emails as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.